welcome to Vlogmas. Today is December 1st, 2024, first day of December, first day of the week. Obviously calls for a, reset. This is gonna go a little bit differently. Normally for my monthly resets, I do nails, lashes. I get done up, but honestly, I need to get myself together like at home mentally with school. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna keep all of that for the holidays because I don't have time. First of all, it's 6:30. I'm not gonna be able to do any of that anyways. I mean, I can paint my nails because I paint my nails myself, fix my lashes, maybe do something to my hair, but I'm not doing it like, I'm not going full out like at all. And I really do just want to focus on like school because it's exams week, it's finals week, but I'm still gonna start Vlogmas, right? Even if it is a little video. As you can see, it's a mess behind me and in the hallway, but we're gonna get to that. So I honestly came home today. I stayed the night at my mom's and didn't leave until about like 5. So that's why we're starting this video so late. Got a Vlogmas intro. Y'all probably already seen. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but got a new Vlogmas intro, and I made a new regular intro that's more like simple, more me. It doesn't have a lot going on because I didn't want a long intro anyway. So it's very, very simple, but still very cutesy, very demure. I got on my laundry. All this was like in the corner. I straightened up everywhere. I really just need to put all my clothes up, make my bed, fix all the shoes, that's the mess in the hallway. I want them to go under my bed, but I want to clean everything else first before I start bringing more stuff in. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna fix the laundry. I'm not gonna show y'all too much of me fixing the laundry because I feel like doing laundry does get repetitive. I really cannot wait to get back on my camera, but this is giving very much nostalgia because I started off on my phone, so it's giving me very much back to where you came from. Even though like we still upgraded, but I don't know, we're at like 800 and like 40-50 something subscribers. The goal is to get to 1,000 before the year ends. It's gonna take off from there. So I have a lot planned for Vlogmas. I'm really excited for Vlogmas, and I feel very much stressed right now mentally. I've been going through a lot, but YouTube always seems to get me like through the motions. So we're gonna focus on YouTube while also focusing on other things, because when I focus on YouTube, I can focus with everything else. It just makes everything fall in line. Say too much because there is a lot I want to say in the next videos to come. So we're just gonna keep this intro short. I didn't even do my intro. Hey, my name's Violet Lonnie if you're new here, and if you're not, welcome back to the family. It just feels so unauthentic. I don't know. Maybe we should change the intro for the new year. I don't know. We're about to clean up a lot, like everything. I want a whole new rebrand for Maya Leilani. So stay tuned, buckle up, because we're about to go on an adventure. I don't know how I feel about this. Cinematic always want to trip out, and I don't got time. But I love how it's auto tracking my face. Do I want to do iPads and a face mask or just a face mask? I'm gonna do iPads. I ain't did them in a minute. Let me go find them. I'm gonna do this mask. This the mask, y'all. I got my iPad because we have to listen to music and just self-care it out because look, it's been a month. Should I pour some wine? That's what it's giving. We only have one more set of jellies, y'all. I was searching. I feel like if you have Apple Music, you shouldn't need Wi-Fi for your music. Like, that's just how I feel. Have I washed my face before? Honestly, nah. Oh, these are so cool. Like, it feels so cold. I hate when I get them too close. Boom. I be so sick, you niggas. Y'all contradicting. I want to hear like Drake or something. I don't even know, bro. Hey y'all, so we're taking an intermission. My clothes are still needing to be done. Hold on. I'm trying to go and get some food. I'm gonna come home, eat, edit some of this video, do some schoolwork. I'm gonna be up all night. I wanna go get Dairy Queen because y'all, I really want a Blizzard. So that's what we're gonna go get. Okay, y'all, we're back. We got our Blizzard. I didn't say anything while I was there because it just happened too fast. This is everything that I wanted it to be. I'm about to watch other Vlogmas videos because everybody's posting theirs and I want to see. And for the food, I just got strips and fries. Hey y'all, so I ended up getting a heater. I hope y'all can hear me and I hope it's not too loud, but it's cold in here, so it's not coming off. I'm just watching Better Than You, and I finished the laundry. Look, now I just need sheets on the bed. Now I have to go find some sheets. I probably would just put like a blanket down and lay on that tonight because I really don't feel like doing or finding anything else. I got the laundry done and that was the main thing on my list. Now I'm gonna edit this video. We really haven't even done anything this whole time. I went to get food. We kind of talked, chit chat a little bit. I guess Vlogmas Day 1 doesn't necessarily have to be like a long, like drawn out, very like talkative, full of eventful things because y'all are gonna be here with me for the next 25 days. So it's like y'all are getting what y'all get. Like, this is the real me. I have to do homework. I might put in clips of me doing homework, but it's really like edit the video, start grinding because I got exams tomorrow and exams the next day after that. So I really just gotta lock in. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, TikTok. That's all I got. It's been a while since I've done a video outro, so yeah, be grateful for that. Happy Vlogmas, and I'll see y'all in the next video.